we're going to make this beautiful rustic sunflower bow that can be used as a gorgeous centerpiece at a wedding or for your home decor. So we're going to get started with our Bowdabra. I have my Bowdabra bow wire already cut, folded in half, and I'm just going to lay it into my Bowdabra, tuck the ends underneath so it stays in place. Now I'm going to take this beautiful lace burlap ribbon, just folded it in half, and I'm going to lay this into my Bowdabra. In case you're not familiar with the Bowdabra, under here you have springs. So that's what's going to hold everything in place. And the way I cut this so that it'll go around my vase. So the measurements are going to be different depending on how you're going to use it. Now I'm going to take my beautiful Bowdabra ribbon and lay this down in here. I'm going to take the other piece and lay this going this way. Then I have some of my Bronze Tuxedo Ribbon. We're just going to lay that in here. Then I'm going to take a piece of this Burlap Mesh. It's just a really pretty ribbon that I found. What we did is took a piece of our Bowdabra Rhinestone Mesh and just cut it straight down the middle, because normally it would be this wide. And I'm going to take this piece and just lay this down in here. And I think it's time to scrunch everything down with my wand. And now I'm going to take this piece. And then I have this really pretty cream ribbon that we're just going to twist and fold and fold and twist. And if you're not familiar with the Bowdabra, the reason that I'm folding and twisting is because I want the wrong side of my ribbon to be on the inside of my loop. And take my wand and just scrunch it all down in here. And I have this beautiful sunflower that I'm just going to put right in the middle. And I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to pull it. The reason I folded it in half is now I have a slip knot. So I'm going to pull it through my slip knot. I'm going to pull it really tight, pull it out, separate the ends, bring it around to the back. And now I'm just going to shape my bow, bring my sunflower into the center. And now I'm just going to tie it on to my vase, and I filled the vase with scrunch fill like you would put in a gift basket, so it looks really, really pretty. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.